Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths class 7 by Galaxy publication. Now let's start chapter 14, 3D visualization. We have already learnt about some solid figures in our previous class. We know that solid shapes have faces, edges, vertices and nets. Let us recall all these definitions before we proceed further. Face, the flat part of a surface is called its face. Edge, a line where two faces of a solid meet is called its edge. Vertex, a corner point where two or more than two edges of a solid meet is called its vertex. And net, a net of a 3D figure is the shape that can be cut out of a flat piece of paper or cardboard and folded to make the 3D shape. Now we know that solid shapes are three-dimensional because they have three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. When we draw these three-dimensional shapes on a plain paper which is 2D, some of their faces, edges and vertices will be hidden from our view, but we must be able to show the hidden faces, edges and vertices in our drawing. For drawing a cube, cuboids etc. we use the basic shapes of rhombus, parallelogram etc. instead of a square or a rectangle. So drawing some geometrical solid shapes, to draw a cube of given measurement, suppose we have to draw a cube of side 3 cm. Take a graph paper and follow these steps. Step 1. Draw a parallelogram ABCD by taking horizontal line AD equal to BC equal to 3 cm and joining A to B and D to C as shown in figure. So here we can draw a parallelogram like this ABCD, right? Now step 2, from points A, D and C draw vertical lines AH, DG, CF equal to 3 cm, join G to F and H to G. फिर ऐसे हम यहाँ से क्या ले लेंगे, from points A, D and C से हम AH, DG and CF, that is 3 cm. Okay, so now the next step, draw a vertical dotted line BE 3 cm from point B and a horizontal dotted line EF 3 cm from point E. So like this we can show these dotted line. So now join H to E with the dotted line. So what we are getting? We are getting a cube of side 3 cm, right? Now the next here, ABCD, ADGH and CFGD are three faces which are visible in two dimensions. ABEH, BCFE and EFGH are the three other faces of the cube which are not visible. These are the hidden faces represented in two dimensions. Okay, some faces are visible and some are hidden, right? Now here you can see, like here, top, front, bottom, back, side, side, and here we can write base, side, side, back, top, front, and here top, back, side, base, side and front. So here second part, points A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are the 8 vertices. Now the third one, A, B, B, C, C, F, F, G, G, H, H, A, A, D, D, C and D, G are the 9 edges of the cube which are seen in 2D. The other hidden 3 edges are B, E, E, F and E, H. Okay, जो हमें दिखाई दे रही हैं, those are 9 edges and 3 are hidden edges, right? So now here you can see total 12 edges, right? So if you open the cube it will look like as in above figure. अगर हम किसी बॉक्स को जो क्यूब शेप में है उसको ओपन करेंगे तो आपके पास ऐसे आएगा, right? Now the next is to draw a cuboid of given measurement. Suppose we have to draw a cuboid of length 5 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 4 cm. We take a graph paper and follow these steps. Now step 1, draw a parallelogram ABCD by taking AD and BC 5 cm and joining A to B and D to C as shown in figure. So here we are taking a parallelogram ABCD जिसमें length 5 है and this is 3 cm. Okay. Now step 2, from points A, D and C, A से D से और C से हम क्या करेंगे, वर्टिकल लाइंस ले लेंगे AH, DG and CF, that is 4 centimeter. Join G to F and H to G. Now step 3, draw a vertical dotted line BE equal to 4 centimeter from point B and a horizontal dotted line EF equals to 5 centimeter. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अब B से हमने ऐसे वर्टिकल लाइन ली है और बाकी हम ऐसे ज्वाइन कर देंगे. These are the dotted one, right? Now here join H to E with a dotted line. The figure thus drawn is the required cuboid of 5 into 3 into 4. So you can clearly observe that it has, तो इसके पास क्या क्या होंगे, 6 faces. You can see 6 faces. This is A, H, D, G, A, B, C, D. This is the top, this is the bottom. Okay, एक front में है, एक back में है, and these two are side faces. So here we have 6 faces, and here we have 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8 corners. आप अपने रूम को देख सकते हैं. रूम में क्या है, बेस है, टॉप है एंड 4 walls. So 6 faces and corners, 8 corners, right? Now the next is 12 edges. 12 edges है, you can count it like here AB, BC, CD, AD, AH, HG, GD, EF, HE, BE, GF. So 12 edges, and here you can see 3 edges are hidden and 9 edges are visible, right? So when you will open any cuboid, it will look like as this. So here bottom, front, top, side, side and back. So now to draw a cylinder of given radius and height, अब हम एक cylinder draw करेंगे. Suppose we have to draw a cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. We take a graph paper and follow these steps. Step 1, mark a point O as shown in the figure. Mark 2 points A and B on both sides of point O such that AO equals to OB, that is 2 centimeter. एक हम circle draw कर लेंगे, right? Now step 2, draw a circle with radius AO and center O. हमने एक circle draw किया. Now step 3, from points A and B draw vertical lines of length 6 centimeter. A और B से हम 6 centimeter line draw कर लेंगे. Okay, and mark their end points as C and D, right? Now next step, draw another circle of radius 2 centimeters such that it passes through point C and D, right? So show the inner part of this circle with dotted lines. Okay, now this figure thus drawn is the required cylinder. You can clearly observe that it has 2 flat surfaces AB and CD and 1 curved surface, this one AB DC, and 2 edges AB and CD. So if you open a cylinder, it will look like as shown in this figure, a rectangle and 2 circles, top and bottom, right? I hope this is clear to you. The next is to draw a cone of given radius and height. Suppose we have to draw a cone of radius 2 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. We take a graph paper and follow these steps. Now step 1, mark a point O as shown in the figure. Now mark 2 points A and B on both sides of point O such that AO is 2 and OB is also 2. Now step 2, draw a circle with radius OA and center O. हम एक circle draw कर लेंगे. Now step 3, from point O mark a point C vertically upward at a distance of 4 centimeter, means OC equals to 4 centimeter. Step 4, join CA and CB. The figure thus drawn is the required cone. Okay, now what you can see, 2 surfaces, 1 curved surface CAB and another flat AOB, right? And the second one only 1 vertex C, okay, and third one edge AB. So if you open the cone, it will look like as shown in the figure. अगर इसको हम open करेंगे, ये हमारे पास ऐसे आएगा. This is the net. Okay. Now mapping the space around through visual estimation. Suppose you have a wooden box in the shape of a cube and you have to fill it up with rice bags. By looking at the sizes of the box and rice bags, one can estimate the number of bags that would fit into the box. So guessing the amount of space available inside the box without actually measuring it is called the visual estimation. बिना measure के सिर्फ देख कर बताना कि उसमें वो boxes fit होंगे या नहीं होंगे, that is the estimation, visual estimation. So take one example. There is a box figure 1 which you have to fill with another small box figure 2. ओके हमारे पास क्या है, एक फिगर है दिस वन, इसमें हमें ये स्मॉल बॉक्सेस को फिट करना है. सो हाउ मेनी स्मॉल बॉक्सेस डू यू थिंक विल फिट इनसाइड इट? सो बाय विजुअल एस्टिमेशन इट इज इजी टू फाइंड दैट 6 small boxes can fit inside the big box. Okay, so now example 1, there are 13 tiffin boxes on this shelf. How many more tiffin boxes can you place on the shelf? आपके पास क्या है, 13 टिफिन बॉक्सेस हैं शेल्फ पर. सो हाउ मेनी मोर टिफिन बॉक्सेस कैन यू प्लेस ऑन द शेल्फ? So there are 4 columns and in each column 5 tiffin boxes can be placed. So the total number of tiffin boxes that can be placed, 5 into 4, 20. So there are already 13 tiffin boxes on the shelf. So the number of tiffin boxes that can be placed in the empty space is 20 minus 13, that is 7 tiffin boxes. Now this is the time of exercise 1. See question number 1. Observe the solid figures and fill up the table below. Like here A part, this is cuboid. So here which shape? Cuboid. Number of edges 12, number of faces 6, number of vertices 8. Similarly you can try these one. Now see third question, which of these nets matches with that of a cone? So see these nets. So A part. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. ऐसे आप fourth question try कर सकते हैं, like using a graph paper, draw the following. A cube of edge 5 centimeter, you can try this one. Now fifth one, say the shapes these objects have. Like A part, this is which shape? This is cone. Like B, cylinder. This C, this is cuboid, and D, this is cube. So I hope these are clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.